Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Yes, I'm a little excited, and that is because the workshop in the trailer, my, workshop garage, I'm not finished yet. However, there's something inside of it waiting for you guys, and judging by the thumbnail and or the title of the video, you guys should have figured out that I'm going to be revealing a race team. Yes, somehow there is a race team inside the trailer behind me, thanks to a buddy of mine. So let's get into it. Well, look what we have here. Behind the Enthusiast, iron hold. Yes, this is my crazy flat track bike, 2004 Honda CRF 450R converted over. As you can see, it is a tight squeeze in here. I have a project in the back here. Not showing you guys what that is just yet. However, there's a little something in the back here hiding. I wonder what that could be. Oh boy. Open sesame. Oh, yeah. Look at this thing. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so taking those out was not an easy task, but here we go. So Andrew, my pit buddy, who I also work with, ended up picking up this beauty. And for those of you who race at Welland County, or even in the Flat Track Canada series, you will probably recognize this bike. For any of those people who are in the know, leave a guess down below as to who this bike used to belong to. Andrew has got quite the beast on his hands. He wants me to shake it down for him during practice next week. So as you can see, this thing's got bars on it. And supposedly it's a pretty quick machine. But I guess we'll find out next week. And of course, my old girl here. Now I believe he said the Yamaha is an 07. He'll have to correct me later on if I'm wrong. So we got iron hold sponsor. My girl's all ready to go. I have yet to fire these up. However, I will do that very, very soon. I might actually try starting them right now for you guys. And I'm sure a lot of people want to hear that Yamaha running. That thing should sound pretty good with that exhaust on there. Keep in mind, my bike is 100% stock, or at least that's what I was told. So my bike is pretty reliable. I can use OEM parts, don't have to worry about too much. However, this Yamaha here, I have no idea. No idea whatsoever. But as you guys can see, we're switching this over for us. I'm going to switch over for Andrew. And he's going to want me to, like I said, shake it down a little bit. Make sure everything's good on the track. And then I'll hand it back over to him. And then we'll see how this season goes with two bikes. Now I kind of feel like we're NASCAR teammates here or something, because we don't have any sponsors on this bike. But we do on mine. So we'll be teammates. We run in rather different bikes, but we will be working in the pits together nonetheless. So again, for those of you who recognize this bike, leave a comment down below if you think you know who it belonged to. Yes, we did buy it from him. And yeah, this season is going to be a blast. Well, guys, that is it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the grand reveal of the unofficial race team. We did have a name chosen. Andrew chose it, and then he forgot the name. So hopefully he remembers what the name of the team is going to be, because it would be nice to do a little bit of branding, put that on the bikes, other than, of course, Behind the Enthusiast, the channel, and Iron Hold. I will probably put stickers on the Yamaha as well, if there's room anyway, because I have to redo everything on that bike, and due to time constraints, I'm probably just going to put numbers on it, and that's about it. I'm just going to cover over the old number 9. I will probably just cover over it. I won't remove it, but I will leave it on the bike just as kind of a tipping my hat to the previous owner. So hopefully you guys are excited to see more content from both of these bikes. They're ready to go. Practice is next week. The following week we have race number 1, and well, we're scrambling a little bit. There's a few things that we just need to finish up. You know, Andrew has to get all of his gear together. I have to get... Actually, I do have some repairs to do, unfortunately. And so we're going to see how practice goes. And whatever works or doesn't work, we'll make the adjustments the week leading up to the first race of the season. And then we have a super, super busy schedule. So we're looking at first race end of May, June and July. I believe we have 3 or 4 races in both of those months. Super, super crazy schedule. And then we have 1 or 2 races for the consecutive 2 months, ending off the series. So June, July, August, and September are a little bit lighter for the schedule, but June and July are crazy. Pretty much a race every single weekend. So a lot of work to do. I'm gonna start working on these bikes, start them up, and yeah, you guys will see more content soon on these bikes, anything that I'm working on. For those of you who are curious, the Kawasaki is going to be put on hold just for a little bit. We have to concentrate on both of these bikes next to me right now, because those are working. They are priority right now, and the Kawasaki is more or less, you know, it's a hooligan bike, and I don't know too many people who are going to be running in a hooligan class. However, the plan is to take it into open novice, at least to kind of give it a shakedown, maybe in practice, and see how it's functioning. And depending on how practice goes, in terms of getting the bikes there, I might bring the Kawasaki with me. You never know. So, expect lots of craziness this summer with racing at Welland County Speedway. And yeah, I'm already tired. It's a long week, and I have work to do on the bikes. So I'm going to get going. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Leave some comments down below for me. Any requests, anything I've maybe missed that you guys are curious about for details, leave me some comments down below for that. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future content on the channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.